Once a tax professional has contacted you, it's time to log back into your client portal to continue the process. In this video, we'll show you how to complete the engagement letter and questions, two key steps for the correct preparation of your taxes. Log into your portal again. You will now see 5 new options. We will focus only on engagement letter and questions. Step 1, engagement letter. Enter the section to view your service agreement. This explains the terms and conditions of the work we will perform for you. Read the agreement carefully, and when ready, click Accept. This step is mandatory to proceed with your tax return. Step 2, questions. Click here to answer the necessary IRS questions. First, verify your filing status and if there were any deaths in your family. Check your Social Security number, or check the box if you are applying for an ITIN. Confirm that your full name, date of birth, and occupation are correct. Verify your address. If you moved during the year, indicate the state and the dates you lived at your previous residence. Ensure your contact phone number and email address are up to date. If the IRS assigned you a security IP PIN, enter it during this step. Indicate if you are a student, have a disability, or if you are someone's dependent. If you had marketplace insurance or Obamacare, mark Yes for Form 1095-A. Answer whether you sold or bought digital assets like Bitcoin during the year. If filing a joint return, complete your spouse's information now. Verify or include the details for your dependents. If claiming the dependent care credit, enter the provider's information and the total amount paid for care during the year. Finally, choose how to receive your refund or make your payment to the IRS. Enter your routing number, and account type. Click Finish. Thank you for completing your information. A professional will review your data and will contact you within the next 24 hours. Thank you for trusting JD Business Consultant. Your information is in professional hands to ensure a correct preparation.